Let's make a spooky Halloween shirt. The first thing you'll need is a plain t-shirt for this project. We'll be using this white puff fabric paint. To start the spiderweb design, I'm going to first draw a simple line, and then another that intersects it to create a large plus sign. Then, I'm going to add another line in between each of those. Starting towards the center, I'm drawing small lines to create the interior of the web, and then adding more layers as I move outward. Don't worry about the lines being perfect. Uneven lines and gaps can make the look even spookier. Next, I'm going to create a mini web up here, following the same steps. Coming back to the large web, I'm just adding a few accent lines at random. This is completely optional. I like to add some half webs that appear to go off the edges of the shirt too. Another large web will go down here to fill some of the space. And then I'm going to make some curved lines that mimic the nearby web curves to fill in the background in an abstract way. There's really no rules for this, so have fun. Here's the look so far. I'm just filling in the look a little more before adding some intersecting lines. These complete the abstract spiderweb background look. And after it dries, I'll show you the finished look.